In this video, you'll learn how to build a brand using Stan Store. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to establish a strong online presence and effectively sell your products. Begin by choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Consider areas such as AI tools, business strategies, or fitness programs. Selecting a specific niche will help you target a particular audience and cater to their needs more effectively. Next, focus on creating valuable products that will resonate with your audience. You can develop helpful guides, templates, or even online courses that provide real solutions to your niche's problems. Ensure that your offerings are high quality and reflect your expertise in the chosen area. It is important to maintain a consistent branding approach across all platforms. Use the same name, logo, and color scheme on your Stan Store and any social media profiles. This uniformity helps create a recognizable brand identity that customers can easily associate with your products. After establishing your brand, commit to posting helpful content daily. Share valuable tips and insights on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Regularly engaging with your audience through informative posts will position you as an authority in your niche and drive traffic. Once you have a solid content strategy, make sure to link your Stan Store in your social media bios. This will provide your audience with easy access to your products and can significantly increase your sales. Make the link prominent so that it stands out to potential customers. By combining consistent content creation with useful products, you will cultivate a strong brand presence. This approach not only builds trust with your audience, but also encourages repeat business and referrals, ultimately leading to a successful brand. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.